there's a strange thing that almost no one realizes. If you ask people in different countries to imagine Jesus Christ, they often see the same image. A calm gaze, light on the face, silence instead of pathos. And most of them don't even realize that they are looking at Carl Bloch. The paintings from Frederiksborg Castle begin to take on a life of their own. First copies, then reproductions, then illustrations in books and church publications. The images travel far beyond Denmark, and the further they go, the faster they break away from the artist's name. Bloch did not plan this. He did not build an empire. He simply painted scenes as he felt them, and that is why they worked. At the beginning of the 20th century, these paintings ended up on the other side of the Atlantic. Their new visual culture was forming. Their understandable, emotional, living images were needed. It was Bloch's works that began to be used as standard images of Christ, without scandal, without loud statements, simply because they were captivating. By the way, for over 40 years, the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints has actively used Bloch's paintings, mainly from the Frederiksborg Palace collection, in its church buildings and publications. The church has created films depicting biblical stories about Christ's public ministry, using Bloch's paintings as models for color, light, and overall scene design, as well as the movements of actors in many scenes in the films. The most striking example of this is the 2000 film The Covenants of One Flock and One Shepherd. And here's the paradox. The more widely these images spread around the world, the less often the name of their author appears alongside them. People know the painting. They know the scene. They know the emotion. But they don't know the artist. Bloch continues to work at this time. He teaches. He writes. He remains a respected figure in Denmark. But global fame passes him by, like a shadow from his own canvases. And here the question arises again. How did it happen that the artist who actually shaped the visual image of Christ for millions of people remained in the shadows himself? Why is his name not alongside those known to everyone? And the answer lies not in art. It lies in how the world remembers stories. His works will become part of cinema, part of sermons, part of mass culture. But Bloch himself will no longer be able to say anything about it.